Welcome to the cross-platform replication video series. This is the third video in a four-part series. Today we will fail over a PS series volume to an SE series array. Cross-platform replication is again our PS to SE series replication. Allows us to replicate between the two arrays for disaster recovery. We demonstrated that in the first video. We also showed you how to configure the iSCSI relationship between those two arrays. And then in the second video, we replicated a PS series volume to an SE series array. And then today we will fail over that PS series volume. And then finally, we'll fail back the SE series to the PS series to the original replication relationship. The graphic below is a high-level representation of the whole process. The PS series and SE series have already been configured for iSCSI, and the volume is replicating as we indicated with the dashed lines, and also as we demonstrated in the second video. The SE series will be the target for this failover. Note the destination host may be connected to the SE series via iSCSI, fiber channel, or both. To failover, we activate disaster recovery in the DSM. This will take the volume offline to the host and stop the replication between the two arrays. And it'll also allow us to map that volume to the SE series array. Now, once we map that volume to the host, we have to online the volume to the operating system. Now, all of this that I show in the gray here is done through and managed by the Dell Storage Manager. However, when you online the volume to the host, you will need to go in the operating system to do those commands. So let's go to the DSM and get started and demonstrate failover of the PS series volume to the SE series array. We can monitor the replication by replication's live volume over here on the left. So we're going to do a planned failover. To get started with the planned failover, we click on Restore Points, then Activate Disaster Recovery. Make sure you select the restore point you want to activate. This will bring a wizard to give you a selection point of which source and destination array you would like to restore from. So you can check the box to allow plan activate disaster recoveries and then click next. A window allowing the source and destination pair selection will pop up. List of available and no longer available restore points will be presented. We will select the restore point under available restore points. Now notice that it will show the source volume and destination volume as well as the destination array. Simply click next. Once we have verified that we have the source and destination volume selected, we can click finish on the next screen. Now this process will actually make sure that we have promoted the volume to the SC series array as well as demoting it from the PS series array and also allowing for the mapping of that volume to the SC series array. Once that Activate Disaster Recovery is complete, you can monitor the progress from the Recovery Progress tab. Once I click OK here, it'll take me there automatically. It'll note the latest status of this Activate Disaster Recovery. Once the time is finished, there will be a timestamp entered in the table here. You'll see this message indicating DR volume has been activated. So in a disaster recovery situation, you may need to map to a different host other than the one that you actually originally had that volume associated with or mapped to. And in this case, we're going to demonstrate where we have a new host that's going to map to that volume that's on the SE series array after we activated disaster recovery. So first we'll go to the storage center and the volume that we failed over to. Click on the Mappings tab. That'll just show you that there are no mappings currently because we didn't define that during our Activate Disaster Recovery. That is an option we could do during that point. Click on Map Volume to Server. In this case, I'm going to pick the bottom server. Click Next. And then Finish. And then you will see the mappings to that iSCSI connected server. We have to bring that failover volume online. Now this needs to be done in the operating system itself. We are on a Windows 2012 server, but I'm going to go into Disk Manager and find that disk that I need to bring on. It's a 22.89 gig disk. I click Online, and that'll bring back that volume. Notice the name is PS to SC, and it's indicating which PS series array it's on, which is this PS6210E. However, now we've failed over, so we are now on the compellent array. And this could be indicated fairly easily if you go into the Server Manager, File and Storage Services, under Volumes and Disk, and you will see that volume is online to a compellent volume and with the multi-disk device. further monitor this Dell Storage Manager, if we go to the actual SE series array, go to that volume, click on the Summary tab, and you can see that it is assigned to the server on the F drive, and this is connected to a compellent array, or SE series array. Thank you for your attention during this video. Please join us with part 4, which will show failback to the PS series array, going back to our original replication relationship.